Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Robot Vacuum and Mop Self-Emptying 6000 Pascal Suction Review 2026. Keeping your home spotless has never been easier thanks to the Robot Vacuum and Mop with self-emptying capabilities. This advanced robotic cleaner combines powerful suction, intelligent mapping, and multifunctional cleaning modes to deliver a pristine living space effortlessly. Designed for busy households and pet owners, this 4-in-1 robotic vacuum and mop handles pet hair, dust, and debris on carpets, hard floors, and tiles, all while offering the convenience of self-emptying and app-controlled smart cleaning. The Robot Vacuum and Mop stands out in the crowded market of smart home cleaners thanks to a combination of powerful features. The Robot Vacuum and Mop impresses with its exceptional cleaning performance. Its 6000 Pascal suction ensures even embedded dirt on carpets is lifted effortlessly, while its precision brushes sweep dust and pet hair from corners and edges. The mopping function complements vacuuming by removing sticky residues from hard floors, leaving a streak-free finish. The intelligent mapping system is a game-changer. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that move randomly, this model charts your home's layout and creates optimized cleaning routes. It memorizes room shapes, furniture placement, and high-traffic areas, which means it avoids unnecessary repetitions and maximizes efficiency. Another standout aspect is the self-emptying base. Once the robot completes a cleaning session, it automatically dumps collected dust into the larger base, reducing your interaction with dirt and making it ideal for busy households. The app allows you to schedule automatic emptying, set no-go zones, and monitor cleaning progress remotely. Pet owners will find this vacuum particularly useful. Its tangle-free brushes, combined with powerful suction, handle pet hair and litter effortlessly. Carpets receive extra attention with a boost mode that deep cleans fibers, while hard floors benefit from gentle yet thorough mopping and sweeping. Q1 Can this robot handle multiple floor types? Yes, it automatically detects different floor types and adjusts suction power for optimal cleaning. Hardwood, tile, laminate, and carpets are all effectively managed. Q2 How does the self-emptying feature work? After each cleaning session, the robot returns to its base and automatically empties the dustbin into a larger collection bag, reducing the frequency of manual emptying. Q3 Is it compatible with smart home assistants? Yes, the robot integrates seamlessly with Alexa and other smart home platforms, enabling voice commands for starting, pausing, or scheduling cleaning sessions. Q4 How long does it take to charge and clean? Charging time averages 3 to 4 hours, and a full charge allows it to clean large spaces efficiently. The intelligent mapping system helps it complete cleaning faster without missing areas. Q5 Can I schedule specific room cleaning? Absolutely. Using the app, you can select specific rooms, define no-go zones, and set recurring schedules according to your preference. The Robot Vacuum and Mop with self-emptying capability is a powerful, smart, and convenient solution for maintaining a clean home. With its 6000 Pascal suction, multi-surface cleaning, intelligent mapping, and pet-friendly design, it effortlessly handles everyday messes. The self-emptying base adds unparalleled convenience, making it ideal for busy households, pet owners, or anyone seeking a hands-free cleaning experience. Whether vacuuming, mopping, or both, this 4-in-1 robotic cleaner offers exceptional performance and long-term reliability, making it a worthy addition to any smart home. Check the link in the description to get yours today.